Welcome to episode 4 of the van trip. This week we're on the Med Coast, exploring, heading down into Spain for something epic at the end of the week. But today we're in the small fishing village of Gruisson, and we're just gonna look around and explore. Let's go. Exploring is done for now. See what we get up to. It's been a couple of hours. Today was our first time on the whole trip that we've had difficulty finding a nice spot, but we're not too impressed with this area we're in this week, but it's okay because we'll be going somewhere else at the end of the week. But we've just set up, we're gonna have lunch, go for a swim and chill out. Very glad to report that in this week's video, Seb is continuing his theme of being our van cook. We're loving it. Hello, today we've decided to do something different. We're at a water park. This area so far hasn't impressed us at all. So we've decided to spend some money because it's more fun. Let's go. We finished with the water park. It was very fun. The reason why we don't like this area is because the weather's really misty, but we're just gonna head down south to this place we want to go snorkeling at because the weather might be better there. Let's go. This is the best spot we've been at. This is crazy. What a panorama. Wow. Well, we're just gonna have dinner and sleep. So enjoy some cool time lapses, and I'll see you tomorrow. The crew's up, making pancakes for breakfast! We've arrived. This is supposed to be France's best snorkeling spot. Let's go! We had a super fun beach day and went into the town for some ice cream, which was a really nice refreshment. And now we're gonna go up back into the mountains for a spot to sleep. So we've settled down for dinner and Seb's making us some lovely ribeye steaks. No, ribs. Living in this van so far has taught us quite a lot in terms of living with less, quite a small space. But the camping trip last week really taught us to appreciate the van as well as just having little space in general. Good morning, today we're going to the beach again and we found this cool water fill up place and Seb wants to try it out. So Seb, you just want me to hold it, yeah?
Yeah, just see how well it works.
Yeah? Oh. Just press it, yeah?
I'm gonna hit the big green.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's hard.
Oh my god.
That's so impressive.
Okay, let's go to the beach. Going to the beach, well, the sea, and we're going to go to a water platform to have some fun. Let's go! We finished the beach day, made a plan for what we're doing now, and Seb took inspiration from my prank earlier, so he wants to do a shower.
Nick, hit it!
Seb's finished his shower, let's jump to the next spot. 3, 2, 1. We're going to Spain! Yay! We've arrived at our spot. We had the most incredible sunset on the road, and this is, I reckon, the coolest spot we've been at. This is insane. Been a minute. Spent yesterday relaxing at the awesome spot, but now it is 5 AM and we are going to the airport. So I'll see you where we go. So I could just jump to where we're going, but I think a cool cinematic montage would look much better. So let's go. We've arrived! Mallorca! We're taking a mini break from the van trip, but I'm very excited because we're here for 2 weeks of fun and adventure in Mallorca! That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Come back next week for some epic adventures in Mallorca. Like and subscribe. Peace!